Usain, you have so many fans around the globe. What would you say to your fans in Europe who couldn't sleep this night because they were watching you?
Just thanks for the support. It's brilliant. I'm really happy. Continue supporting me and I'll continue doing great things.
Can you imagine that you're making history just like that? It all looks so easy with you.
People always say it look easy, but you don't see the background work that we put in. I put in a lot of work to be the best. I go through injuries, I go through stress, but I'm always ready.
You're changing your clothes a lot today. Why is that?
Because Puma gave me a lot of stuff. They gave me the finals to run in different spikes, so it was good. It's nice.
Are you excited to go for 2 more golds?
Oh! Yes, I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to my 200 meters. It's my favorite event, so I'm looking forward to it. Thanks.
Usain, can I just learn you 2 Slovenian words? Could you repeat after me? Najboljši sem. That means I'm the best.
Najboljši son. Najboljši son. Yeah, I am the best.
Thank you. You are.